HiKidStudio.
Hi kids!
Today, let's talk about gradation in art. Gradation in art is a visual technique of color changing from one color tone to another, or from one shade to another. Gradients are also known as color transitions. Color blending from one color to another color going from light to dark or dark to light. Let's get some paint ready. Let's start painting. So we will need to use white paint, color paint, and black paint. We are going to start with light color first. Get some white paint and paint a dot like this. Then get a tiny bit of color and mix into the side of the white paint. You can see it turns into very light purple. Do the same step and get a little bit more of purple paint. Then mix next to the previous color. You can see the color is changing a little bit more darker. So if we continue with the same steps, we will get a line of gradation color. We can use the same colors and do color blending like this. Put your paint in 3 lines. Then mix starting with the middle to the white. You can see the color starts to change in tones, getting lighter and lighter. And if we do the opposite side, it will get darker and darker. Can you see the color transition? Color going from light to dark? Let's use this color technique in today's art activity. We are going to do a Halloween painting because Halloween is coming. And we are going to paint a night sky in Halloween. Get a paper and use a pencil to draw concentric circles. If you don't remember what are concentric circles, you can go back and watch Learn Art with HiKidStudio 04 Shapes and Size video. Then paint the center circle in white. The circle around the center will mix a tiny bit of color. You can do any color you like. I will be using purple. And then another layer, add a little bit more purple and paint. Continue doing the same steps until you reach the edge. Can you see the gradation colors? The color changing from light to dark. Put your painting aside to let it dry. While it is drying, we are going to use a black paper to cut out some bats. Fold your black paper in half, and then draw a semicircle for the head. Draw a pointy triangle for the sharp ears, and draw a curved line like this for the wings. Separate the wings in 3 parts and draw curvy lines like this. Cut out your drawing, then you will get something like this. Ta-da! A bat. We can fold the wings in like this. It looks like our bat is resting. Then when the paint is dried, we can draw some spooky Halloween drawing on top. We can draw a haunted house, maybe trees. If you want, you can draw ghosts. After that, we can stick our bats on the tree. Look! Our bats are hanging upside down on the tree. With the same arts technique, we can also use it to mix two colors together. Here is one example you can do. I'm going to mix orange and purple. And then draw in your spooky Halloween element. Show us your artwork and tag HiKidStudio on Instagram with hashtag HiKidStudio. Stay tuned!